In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add noise in Inkscape using several different professional techniques. Whether you are looking for a gritty texture, a subtle film grain, or a custom sprayed look, adding noise is a fantastic way to give your digital illustrations more depth, character, and a non-digital feel. This tutorial is specifically designed for both beginners and advanced users who want to master textures without needing external plugins. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more design tips. Let's get started. First, we need to handle our setup. Open Inkscape and select the object you want to apply noise to on your canvas. This could be a circle, a rectangle, or even a complex path. Ensure the object is correctly positioned, and then select it using the selection tool, which you can quickly access by pressing S on your keyboard. Our first approach is method 1, using filter effects, which is by far the best choice for rich textures. With your object selected, go to the top menu and select Filters. From the drop-down, navigate to either Overlays or the Texture category. Here you should select Noise Fill, or alternatively, Rough and Dilated. A dialog box will immediately appear, allowing you to fine-tune the turbulence, frequency, and density of the noise. I highly recommend checking the Live Preview box so you can see the effect in real time as you move the sliders. Once it looks perfect, click Apply. Next, we have method 2, using the film grain filter. This is perfect for those who want a more cinematic or photographic look. Select your object again, then head back up to Filters, navigate to Image Effects, and choose Film Grain. This specific filter creates a subtle sandy noise effect that is very common in modern digital illustrations because it softens the flat colors of vector art. Now, for more control, let's look at method 3, creating custom noise with the sprayer tool. This is a manual technique that produces amazing results. Start by drawing a tiny circle or square, roughly 0.5 millimeters in size. Select this tiny shape and then press A to activate the sprayer tool. In the top settings bar, set the mode to Spray Objects as a Path. Now spray these tiny shapes over your main object until you have the desired density. To keep the noise contained, select all the sprayed dots along with your main object and then press Ctrl+M to set clip. This effectively masks the noise inside your shape. Before we finish, here is some important information. Remember that most Inkscape filters are SVG filter effects. These remain fully editable, which is great, but they can slow down your computer if applied to too many objects at once. If you ever want to remove the noise, simply select the object and go to Filters and then Remove Filters. Also, if your noise looks blurry or pixelated, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Rendering, and set the filter effects quality to a higher setting to sharpen the look. And that is it. You now know how to master noise and grain in Inkscape. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.